What the heck is going on here? So we got that working. Gauges are just totally dead gauges. We got lights. Well, let's figure out what's going on with it. What I'm going to start with is getting this trim piece off. So you press the button, bring that down, and just grab a hold of the panel. Get your hands behind it and really carefully pull it forward. Really carefully just pull that up and out of the way. There's 7mm windshield. Take these mounting screws out. That out. And we got emergency flashers. Oh, it's back. That means this connector's no good. Let's replace it. Go unplug the battery so we can pull that out of there, because we don't want to have any problems. Take off your negative terminal, 8mm. Sparky. Leave that there. Okay, so I'm going to pull this down so I can get to my plug back here. Pull that out. Put this off to the side. Yeah. We can See those connectors in there moving around, so yeah. Let's splice in a new one. See here that these don't move around in the new one. So that's going to be a lot better. Well, might as well get the soldering iron warmed up. I'm just going to use a magnetic tray and soldering iron. Just going to use some of this small stuff here, the heat shrink tubing, to protect our solder joints. And I'll cut these in half to make it go a little further because we don't need it to be quite that long. So that gives us quite a few more. Just gonna set these up here. Somebody's got my pliers. Ah, there they are. Blank. Range Rover engine, getting new cylinder heads. Turn it up to about 300 degrees. See where that gets me. Figure out where I want to put this. So I can burn myself. Safety first. So I'm gonna set my soldering iron right there. Start stripping some of this wire back. Okay, there we go. Got all those stripped back now. We're going to start on the car side of this. Just make sure that my plug matches. Which it does. So I'm going to strip all these back. Leaving myself quite a bit here because this wire is teeny tiny.
There's one. And you just like push up on these and it holds the wire down. And then there's the other one. The other one, and then these are magnetic, so they just come up.
Where'd you get that from?
Jerry?
Neato.
Yeah.
Almost done. Oh boy. Now what? Weave these into each other and then twist them in opposite directions around each other. Make sure this is hot. Yeah, that'll do. Got most of my wires here all soldered and heat shrunk. I'm just going to show you how I shrink these wires with a shrink wrap down. This works pretty well in tight confined spaces when I don't want to use a heat gun for fear of melting things. So you just rub the soldering iron on the heat shrink until it's down where you want it, and move on to the next one. It's down where you want it, and move on to the next one. Okay, well, I got my wires all heat shrunk up and soldered together, so I'm going to plug it in and give it a try. I got my harness all taped up here, everything's ready to go together, so plug in my cluster. And I got my battery unplugged, so I can turn this on and not have to worry about the thing dinging at me. Oh. Okay. Got that all put back together. Going to, I guess we got my dash piece back here, trim bezel, whatever you want to call it. This is kind of a delicate operation, so you just push down on that really gently until it slides back in there. Get it all lined up and just give it a push. That all back in there. I'm going to use a little foaming glass cleaner here. Okay. Pretty good. I'll plug in my battery and give it one more try and we're all done. Okay, got my battery plugged in here. Looks good. I've got the wiring all finished up and I'm getting ready to put the gauge cluster back in. I'll go for a test drive and then get it back to the customer. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.